Soap berries or soap nuts, what are they? Well, they're these little guys right here. They're berries and not nuts. And if you want to know more about what they can do, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Natural A2. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel for updates. Alright, so I did some research, right? There's this article written by Tanya Chowdhury about the benefits of using soap nuts. Many people don't know that soap nuts is very good for the hair, and it's also good for the skin, although many use it for laundry. I have lately been using it for my hair. Soap nuts actually produces something called saponin, which is a natural surfactant. It is very good as a shampoo, and it's also good for laundry. The best way to use it is to boil it to make the shampoo. And when you boil it, you basically get a solution. You can basically store it and use it for a later date. Now, I want to go into some of the benefits, but before we do that, I want to show you how I make the soap nuts. Right now, I'm boiling the soap nuts, and I've used these particular soap nuts at least 7 times already. Now, when you wash your hair, it's best to get the soap nuts already prepared before you even decide to do your hair. If you want more of a sudsy wash, you can basically take your blender and basically just make suds with it. It's all natural, and it's specifically to clean your hair naturally. Now for me, I like to basically use mine without all the suds, but I put it in an applicator bottle and I store it in the refrigerator for a day or two when I'm ready to use it. So what are the benefits of soap berries? It naturally cleans, it promotes hair growth, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, D, E, and K. And it also helps your hair with lots of volume. I've been getting a lot of that. It serves as a laundry and household cleaner, and it's antimicrobial. Yay, no more bugs. Well, you might want to know, where can you get some of this stuff? Well, there's a website called Gimme Vitality Products. All you need to do is just go to Google and search Gimme Vitality Products. There it is right there, and you click on that. And then you go to the link that says chemical free, or you can go straight to shop below that. Once you get on the website, you'll basically see Gimme Vitality Products. You can scroll down till you see where the soap nuts are. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and go to shop. So you go ahead and go to shop, and you will be pulling up a menu of the products, all natural products. And there's the soap nuts. I'm going to click on the one that says 113 grams, which is almost about 4 ounces. And you click on that, and you'll get all the information you need, more information about the soap berries and what it can do and different things for your hair. So if you are interested, the best thing you can do is go on the website and purchase. Again, there are so many benefits to using soap berries. Like I say, it's good for your hair, it's good for laundry, and it really does help people with alopecia, scalp related issues, dandruff, any problems with hair falling out. The shampoo is very natural. You can't get no better than nature. So the best thing to do is go on the website if you're interested and get you some soap berries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you the next time.